Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Izzuddin bin Faizol. Today I am going to present my industrial training. So for the introduction, my company Software Solution was located in Batu Pahat, Province China. Software Solution is consultancy, construction and training company serving the commercial and industrial market need. The business including forensic engineering, structural and geotechnical design, consultation, building inspection, facility management and maintenance for residential or commercial infrastructure. We also offer building and construction work, infrastructure and civil work, as well as mechanical and electrical service. In addition, provide structural forensic engineering, investigation, product failure analysis, accident reconstruction, construction defect investigation, building damage assessment, and so on. Next is the vision and mission of this company. The mission of this company is to be leading company through our great people, providing our great service and reaching to our great result. For the mission, to provide good quality service and provide smart sustainable solution in engineering field. Next is organization chart. Firstly, Managing Director Muhammad Izzuddin bin Zakaria. Secondly, Executive Director Nurinawati binti Muhammad Idris. Thirdly, Technician Muhammad Syahmi bin Mazlan. Thirdly, Administration Siti Hawa binti Asmawi and General Worker Muhammad Nur Kinana and Muhammad Irfan Hakim. Next is my scope of work. Firstly, drilling installation of steel rebar and grouting at the slope, and secondly, making a cube test for grouting concrete and concrete. Thirdly, make a AutoCAD drawing, and lastly, scaffolding installation. For my scope of work, all of my scope of work is mainly in Raub Pahang. The project in Raub Pahang for drilling installation of rebar and grouting, cube test for grouting concrete, AutoCAD drawing, and scaffolding installation. Mainly my scope project at Raub Pahang. Firstly, procedure of drilling. There are 5 steps of procedure. Firstly, place the machine on the scaffolding. The machine needs to be tied with sustainable clamp so that the machine is strong. Secondly, connect the wire from the machine to the remote control, power pan, and also the air compressor. Thirdly, insert the drilling rod into the drilling machine. Before the rod is placed, apply oil to the end of the rod to make it easier to remove the rod when the drilling is done. One rod is measurement 1.5 meter and 75 millimeter diameter. Total length for nailing are 80 meter, 12 meter and 6 meter. Fourthly, every time one rod is finished, a worker will be ready near the machine, complete with PPE to insert or remove the rod. And lastly, after the total measurement has been achieved, the rod will be removed one by one from the slope for the work of inserting steel rebar. So this is the picture of drilling process on site at PMU Raub. Procedure of installation steel rebar. There are 5 steps of installation of rebar. Firstly, make sure the steel rebar has been checked and the correct thread on the end of the steel rebar. Secondly, the steel rebar length for the lowest, second, third and last slope section of section B should be 12 meter, 80 meter and 6 meter. While the lowest and uppermost slope in section A should be 6 meter and 80 meter. Thirdly, place the centralizer on the steel rebar. The purpose of centralizer is so that the rebar does not sag and can fit in the center of the hole of the slope. Fourthly, place the poly pipe and tie it to the iron using iron wire. The purpose is for grouting concrete to enter through the pipe and fill the slope hole. Lastly, insert the iron in a curved manner into the slope hole. The rebar should go in according to the position of the slope hole. Make sure the distance between the hole and the axis rebar is 225 mm. This is a picture of installation steel rebar at PMU Raub Pahang. Next, the procedure of grouting. There are also 5 steps of grouting. Firstly, use the design that has been prepared. In the design, the required amount of cement, water and mixture has been specified. Secondly, use a grouting machine to mix the grouting mixture. The mixture will be poured will be put into a temporary poly container before the session is inserted to enter the grouting pipe. Next, after the mixture is poured into the poly container, take some of the mixture and pour it on 6 cubes measuring 100 mm times 100 mm times 100 mm. The sachet is inserted into the grouting container and into the poly pipe at the cell hole. Lastly, when the pipe hole is full, pull out the pipe and close the machine. This is the picture of grouting concrete at PMB road. Next is the procedure of cube test. Firstly, there are 2 cubes which are 100 mm times 100 mm times 100 mm, and secondly 150 mm times 150 mm and times 150 mm. The size of the 100 mm cube is for grouting, while the 100 mm is for normal concrete. The mixture has been removed while being poured on the cube. A total of 35 hits are needed for the cube to be compact at each corner of the cube. After finishing, level the surface of the cube using a cement and leave it for 24 hours. After 24 hours, the cube will be opened and the cement cube will be soaked. 3 cubes for 7 days and 3 cubes for 28 days. After the immersion period is over, the cube will be taken to a nearby laboratory to test the cube compression. Picture of the test cube plant in raw ready mix Pahang. Next is the installation of scaffolding. Firstly, before scaffolding installation is carried out, workers must attend a scaffolding erector course. The purpose that approved or the course certificate is proof that a person can install or monitor workers installing scaffolding. Secondly, read and understand the design for scaffolding first. After getting approval from PEPC, professional engineering with practicing certificate, scaffolding installation work can continue. The scaffolding inspector need to be on the site to see how the scaffolding is installed correctly. After the inspection, the scaffolding permit will be opened and the green scaffolding tag will be hung on the scaffolding. The tag need to be renewed every 7 days, change in scaffolding or bad weather. For this scaffolding that is installed above 2 meters need to be used a body harness for the installation of the higher part of the scaffolding. Lastly, after all aspects and methods are taken into account, a scaffolding installation will be carried out. After getting approval and green tag, the scaffolding can be used for work such as parking machine, worker platform and so on. The picture of installation of scaffolding at PMB road. The things that I require through the industrial training. Firstly, for drilling installation and grouting. Firstly, knowing the correct way of drilling, methods and machine need. Secondly, a sustainable drilling rate is very important for drilling work. Thirdly, knowing the type of soil during the drilling process. Fourthly, knowing the function of centralizer, coupler, thread on steel repartite 32. And lastly, knowing every measurement and reading must follow the design or drawing that has been set. 4 cube tests for grouting that are required. That I achieve is apply the method of pouring, mixing and knocking on the cube for concrete and grouting. Next, cube tests need to be done well and perfectly to get good result. Third, cube test is very important to determine whether the grouting and concrete are suitable for or not for the work. Lastly, if the cube test fail, the work need to be postponed or replaced with a new piece. For the AutoCAD drawing, firstly, I need to apply and practice how to use AutoCAD. Secondly, the finished drawing must be checked first before getting confirmation. And lastly, definition of micropipe points and so nailing using drawing from the surveyor. From the drawing can produce a shop drawing. Lastly, scaffolding installation. I learned that the method before, during and after scaffolding installation work. Secondly, knowing about the necessary things such as scaffolding drawing, certificates for erectors and so on. Lastly, knowing about the type, thickness, size and the layout of scaffolding installation. My suggestion for improvement for this company is firstly, increase the number of staff or employees for large or small project. Secondly, providing an expert or mentor as a guide for practical students. And lastly, ensure sufficient manpower for a project. My conclusion for industrial training is industrial training gives students exposure to the company and the scope of work and applies what has been learned at university. Communication skills are very important for project success. This can launch the progress of the project is also provide an opportunity for students to demonstrate skills and ways to work based on the instruction and task given. That's all for me. Thank you.